Ngene kaslam ama cherry afune pick nam. Kabe gonna party so tina bestseller.
Yo, my man, what up? We're at Job Studios, chilling with my niggas. What up, my niggas?
Yeah, what up, yo?
You good, we fit.
Yeah, this is
Just give us a few lines, my man.
sure.
Yeah.
Okay, a few lines.
Yeah.
You know, like, okay, this is so on this game, ngumashayela. As long as Katie Timber fan band is shayela. But I'm Iloshen, so I'm a sniper.
Yeah.
So that's why hip hop million bengu master.
Yeah.
But it's in me plat, that's why I'm batty plat.
What's up, my nigga? Yeah. Yo, this is Zo, man.
Yeah, this is Zo, This is
So,
Oh, Zo, actually, Unzo, Nguyanga and Zo, originated from Gcuwa, known as Gcuwa, yeah. Ikasi ali Cuba nyano represent Cuba nyano Cuba Slam.
So the Cuban.
Yeah, I'm a Cuban.
Yeah, what up? This is Zo.
Yeah.
So tell us more about Zo and music, the journey in music, Zo because the Ndoganzo it comes from somewhere and here and away. So kawusiqelele ngale nto kanzo uzowuvela njani evela ngantoni kwaye le nto kanzo ayipushayo iya
ngunzo yanga waseCuba Gcuwa unzophusha umculo into yemculo like ivele way back I think it was 2007, right? 2007, that's when ngala kwi-shows ndiphusha into yami essentially like kwi-event esikolweni kakhomis what and miss it what so bebendibiza ndiye pha so iqale apho lento yakhula and injongo zami ngalento ndiyenzayo umculo wami ndifuna iyakuthi like encourage nabanye abantu abasemva kwami, which means the youngsters aba basakhula abaselokishini.
Yes, I can see the future is bright for Zo. That's why I spent time under the shades.
Yeah, you know.
So to another extent, Zo Hustler has always been on the street to perform on shows.
Yes.
So Zo Kaleni in hit on the music industry. Then Kaleni anuka like an formal artist where you started recording, this is was get to produce album, mixtape, get. Kaleni ukwenza umculo imali.
Actually umculo ukwenza imali actually ndiyenze I think that estimate mhlawumbe ngathi it was 2005 eshowini imali bakhona eNcaphayi eMsobomvu naseholweni eMsobomvu so bebendibiza uba mandiye.
Because when you start singing in 2007, but your money in rap you make it since 2005.
Yeah. You know, I was still underground at the time. I was still underground at the time. I was I think I got recognized it. Yeah.
Not
So at least
So give me some of the material that made you money on underground. What were the things that you were singing at that time as a man?
At the time, I think izingoma izezamba zasimple kakhulu. Unezi kunale 11 kuyo ngo nalise ku level no eziphansi because as we know ba wonke umuntu uqala phansi uze you know like in an aeroplane is a fly qala airport it then unyuke then phezulu ihambe so like that's when sithi izinto ziqala kancinci so la 11 kuyo ngela xesha I level then sesesihansi ngela xesha kunale
ngathi like on top of the game yakho.
I'm not sure.
50%, 75, 100, range yourself 50,
Nah,
75.
Manichi rate. Manichi 50, manichi say half in.
Still at 50.
Yeah, I'm still at 50.
It's not production, they so late because
Indukias Tombe, yeah, selfie stick.
Yeah, selfie stick.
Yeah, yenye ngoma zami leyo abayithanda abantu because bidlala na ku radio station ikhanya community radio so bebedlala and aba
zeziphi ezinye zezingoma uzikhuphe nalo
oh selfie stick ezinye zengoma endizikhuphe no selfie stick album yami ethi ekasi. That's the name of a mixtape actually. It's not an album because I'm still underground. So it's a mixtape. So bendi selfie stick no ghetto 20 years of democracy got hits ezininzi pa radio stations, we've got a lot of ingoma ezimnandi kula mixtape
Yeah.
because nje nisoyikhupha bayithanda yadlala ku radio station and abomashini iyathandwa ngabantu because ibidlala ekhanya ngoku idlalwa i-UCR eMthatha idlala eMdantsana FM iyadlala nase-True FM under umbrella yase-SABC ndifongele umhlobo wenene yes.
Yeah. Oh, that's lit, man. That's lit. So, tell me about Ngoma Yako, 20 Years of Democracy. What is it about? What is the message behind the song?
Oh, 20 Years of Democracy. 20 Years of Democracy, it's about umnyama as black people. Where we from? Because we know like these days, snap bone freezing. So it's about reminding Tina as blacks, but where are we from like as blacks?
This game, cause all you niggas are sounding the same. Better two queens at the same. Big glass, yeah, whiskey, Sunday. Rolling the weed at the same. Pictures. Ngene kaslam ama cherry afune pick nam.